Okay, let's talk about primary controls of the aircraft, which is elevator, rudders and ailerons. For perfect summary table, don't miss the ending. Primary flight controls of an aircraft control surfaces that directly control the aircraft latitude about its three principal axes with respect to pitch angle, roll angle and yaw angle of the aircraft and are essential for basic maneuvering in flight. Ailerons, basically used for control in rolling movement about longitudinal axis. Spoilers, may also be used to assist or replace ailerons for the roll control. Ailerons, a hinge control surface, is located on the outbound trailing edges of the wings. They operate differently. When one deflect upward, the opposite deflect downward. This creates a difference between the wings, producing a rolling moment about the longitude and axis of the aircraft. Elevator, basically used for control pitching movement about lateral axis. The elevator is a movable control surface attached to the trail edge of the horizontal stabilizer. Its deflection changes the tail plane lift, causing the aircraft to rotate about the lateral axis, thereby controlling nose up and nose down pitch moment. Rudder, basically used for control in yaw moment about the normal axis. The rudder is mounted on the trailing edge of the vertical stabilizer. When deflected, it generates a side force on the vertical tail, producing a yawing moment about the vertical axis, controlling the aircraft's left and right direction movement. Let's discuss some summary axis-wise. Ailerons gives roll moment, which gives lateral control along a lateral axis about the longitude axis. Elevator gives pitch moment, which gives longitudinal control along a longitudinal axis about the lateral axis. Rudder gives yaw moment, which gives normal control along normal axis about normal axis. Follow for more such content. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more update.